Anthony Fauci says he won't be retiring anytime soon, despite qualifying for the largest federal retirement package in the country's history. According to an analysis that the government spending watchdog OpenTheBooks.com did for Forbes. Dr. Fauci, who turned 81 last week, would qualify for an annual retirement that would exceed $350,000. He said earlier this month that he would not be stepping down as Joe Biden's top COVID advisor and director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. Dr. Fauci said on ABC News, referring to the pandemic, "There's no way I'm going to walk away from this until we get this under control. I mean, that's the purpose of what we do. That's our mission in life. In the middle of it, I'm not going to walk away." He has been a federal employee for 55 years and rose to celebrity status at the height of the pandemic in early 2020. For the past 2 years, the epidemiologist was the most highly compensated federal employee. He earned over $417,000 in 2019, and more than $434,000 in 2020, out-earning the president and 4-star generals. The United States Office of Personnel Management reports that federal employees with lengths of service as long as Dr. Fauci's can earn up to 80% of their highest 3-year average salary and credit for their sick leave. During his tenure leading the coronavirus response, he has come under scrutiny over supporting strict lockdowns. Fauci also came under fire for telling Congress that the National Institutes of Health didn't fund gain-of-function research at the Wuhan Institute of Virology in China, though some NIH grants did fund similar types of research at the Chinese lab. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi on Wednesday extended Congress's new remote voting into February because of a spike in COVID cases throughout the holidays. The California Democrat noted an alert sent by the House Sergeant at Arms William Walker, who consulted with the Office of Attending Physician in green-lighting the extended public health emergency. The onset of the coronavirus pandemic in 2020 led the House for the first time to allow members to vote by proxy, breaking more than 200 years of tradition. Pelosi wrote in a Dear Colleague letter that the remote voting period will now go on until February 13, 2022. It was initially set to expire on January 4, 2022. Nancy Pelosi wrote, "In light of the attached notification by the Sergeant at Arms, in consultation with the Office of Attending Physician, that a public health emergency is in effect due to a novel coronavirus, I am hereby extending the covered period designated on January 4, 2021, pursuant to Section 3 of House Resolution 8, until February 13, 2022. Since the start of the pandemic, more than 50 members of Congress have contracted the virus. At least 11 lawmakers tested positive for the virus since December 18. The House is scheduled to return on January 10.